Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the chocolate cream caramel. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll need to make the caramel base, so I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some sugar. Next, I'll add about 4 tablespoonfuls of water. So I'll do this on medium flame. I'll keep on mixing till it turns brown. You have to be careful not to burn the caramel or else it's gonna taste bitter. So after it has caramelized, I'll just pour it into my baking pan and I'll set it aside for later. Next, I'll get a pan and come in with some milk. I'll be using about 400 ml of full cream milk. I'll add about 50 grams of chocolate. Here I'm using dark chocolate. Put it on low flame and mix it up till the chocolate melts. While it's melting, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 3 medium-sized eggs, pinch of salt to taste. I'll give it a very good mix. I'll come in with some condensed milk. This gives it some extra flavor. And I'll come in with about 100 milliliters of concentrated milk. Finally, I'll come in with my chocolate milk mixture whilst it's still warm and whip everything up. So I'll get my caramel based pan and pour the mixture into it. Next, I'll get a bigger baking pan, fill it with some warm water, and cover my mixture with some aluminum foil. This I'm gonna put in the preheated oven of about 150 degrees Celsius, and I'll be baking this for about 30 minutes. So it's been after about 30 minutes, and here we are. Our chocolate cream caramel is ready. You definitely need to give this a try. It is delicious, and you can't stop at one. I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.